Hey there! Today we're going to look at how you can change the source branch in Vercel. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open Vercel in your browser and log into your account. Over here, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects. Then take a moment to select the specific project where you want to change the source branch. After that, once your project opens up, look around for the Settings option and click on it. Now, inside Settings, you might see different sections depending on your version. Over here, find the section called Environments, as both can contain the option we need. Then scroll a little until you find the Production Branch setting. After that, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to it. Now, click on that drop-down and you'll see different branches from your repository. Over here, you can select your main branch if you want your live site to update from it. Then, if you're working on a feature or testing something, you can also select a different branch. After that, make sure you carefully choose the correct branch to avoid any deployment issues. Now, once you've selected your desired branch, go ahead and click on Save. Over here, this step is really important because without saving, your changes won't be applied. Then, after saving, Vercel will automatically start tracking that selected branch. After that, any new commits pushed to that branch will trigger deployments automatically. Now, this makes it really useful if you're working in a team or managing multiple versions of your project. Over here, you can easily switch between branches anytime by repeating the same steps. And yeah, that's pretty much it.